Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain about how to retrieve the table details from the database, how to display the complete table in JDBC application. We already discussed that whenever you are executing the DDL commands. So DDL commands means what? Such as create table, drop the table. We are using execute method of statement interface, create table, execute method. And in the last video, I explained clearly if it is a DML command, we use execute update in case insert, update, delete, any query you want to execute. And what is the return type of this one? Int. Because how many records updated, it will return. Now, DRL, data retrieval language command. Here we need to call execute query method of statement interface. Retrieval means what? Is a select command. Select star from any table. See number of records it will return. Execute query. Return type is a result set. Object it will return. Object. Complete result set it will return. A set of records will be stored into this object. Sir, how many records are there? We don't know how many records are present. So with the help of while loop, we display all records. That I'll explain programmatically. First of all, here it is, I'm opening the database, right? In the Oracle database, I'm creating the table, create table account number, account holder name, balance. Free we have created. And we are inserting also. Insert into account table. Values are 101. Just name the value. And again, one more is 102. 102. Name some value. Like this, we are adding 3 records into the database table. 3 records added. And one more thing, a very important thing. After executing any DML command, insert, update, delete, in database, you must use commit statement to save the transaction permanently. Now see, select star from account means all the 3 records it will show. Now our concept is what? Showing all these 3 records from the JDBC application. So we know how to load the driver, how to establish the connection to the database, how to close the connection. In previous videos only, we already discussed. Now in this video, now I'm creating the statement object equals to connection dot create statement object. Now I want to retrieve. So taking the query, string query equal to select star from account. That is the query. How to execute means st dot, not simply execute, use execute query method and passing that query as an input. st dot execute query method we need to use. Return type is a result set. Result set is a return type. Result set. Sir, what result set contains? This contains all records, the complete information. Please import the result set. Okay. Any class name you can take. Just DB operations I am taking. Result set I am taking. RES, result set. See how many records are there? We don't know how many records are present. But at least how can we check records are present or not? RES dot next one method is there. Look at that, return type is Boolean type. Boolean. It is giving some information about this. Moves the cursor forward one row from its current position. Okay, nothing but this method will return Boolean value. If record is there, it will return true. If record is not there, it will return false. It will return false. So how many times it will return? How many times we have to repeat the loop? How many records present means we don't know. So please use while loop. Please use while loop. That is, here it is. Here it is. How many records are present? It will return. Suppose first record is there. Yes, it will return true. It will go inside. Sir, how to get that record? How to get the details of that record? Here, how many columns are there? 3 columns are present: integer, string, and integer. You need to specify like this: res dot get integer of column index or column name. Column index is 1. First column, it is integer type. Suppose number. Next one is a name. Name is which type? String type. We collect into string. Res dot get string of column number 2. Next one, integer balance is equal to res dot get integer of column number 3. The first column, which type? Integer, so get int. Second column, which type? String type, so get string. Third column is integer type. We are collecting and simply we are giving using this comma separator. Number, comma, name, comma, balance. This one. So it will give the details of the first record. First record means this one. This one. And here it is looking for the second record. How the loop will repeat and it will check, okay, second record is there. Condition is true. Display the details. Again loop will repeat. Yes, third record is there. Display. Next it is looking for the fourth record. Is it there? No, it's not there. If it is not there, then it will be terminated. So when you run this code, look at this. Driver loaded and still it is executing the previous one. Let me save. Right. Sorry, the previous code executed, so the table deleted because I didn't save. Now I saved the code. Now I'm executing. I'm just executing the code. Now see, look at this. All the details it has shown. All the details. Okay. This is just how to display all the details of a table. And one important thing again, what are the statements you are executing? If it is DDL, create the table, or drop the table, or alter the table, or truncate the table, execute method. If it is DML, insert, update, delete, execute update method. Return type is count. How many records updated it will return. Third one is a DRL, data retrieval command. Execute query method. Select, so that result set you will get. How many records? All the records will come and store into this result set object. With the help of while loop, we display record details by checking the records are present or not. Okay, so please practice and complete this.